Hello, this is Anna, the Pretty Shepherd, and today we are here to make some gingerbread. A great many of you probably discovered this channel through last year's Costuber Secret Santa video, which I have linked here if for some reason you haven't seen it. And actually, one of the main part of the gift was gingerbread. Traditional Hungarian gingerbread, which we actually call honey cake because the original recipe is made with honey. A lot of you asked about it even then in the comments, so I figured this year I'm going to share my recipe with you. So let's head off to the kitchen. I am very sorry that I cannot send smells through this medium, but I hope you've enjoyed this video nonetheless. If you decide to try out this recipe, then let me know in the comments how it turned out. Or better yet, if you post it on Instagram, do tag me in the picture. I want to know what everyone comes up with this traditional Hungarian honey cake recipe. So let's all get into some Christmassy bacon. Not bacon, just baking. Bacon. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, you know the gist. Like, comment, subscribe. I post videos every week. Imagine that. I hope you're looking forward to the next episode, which is going to be my Christmas special. You thought this was the Christmas special? No, 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 no. No, no, no. Thank you so much for watching, and until next week, have a great day, have fun, and bye-bye! 'Tis the season to bake some gingerbread. It's the honey cake in Hungarian. 'Tis the season to break some gingerbread. Do 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 dee dee do da do da dee do do blum ba da ba do bo chi do do dee 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 bro chi go bum ba dum ba do. Oh well.